Pass Kwargs argument to another function with Kwargs. I do not understand the following example. Let's say I have these functions. Why is number 1 the right solution and number 2 the wrong one? Kwargs is basically a dict, so if I want to pass down the argument to Opangs, I think the correct way would be without and just giving the dict. But Python obviously doesn't like the second one and tells me I gave 3 instead of 2 arguments. So what's the reason behind this?
In the second example, you provide 3 arguments: file name, mode, and a dictionary, Kwargs. But Python expects 2 formal arguments plus keyword arguments. By prefixing the dictionary by ***, you unpack the dictionary Kwargs to keywords arguments. A dictionary, type dict, is a single variable containing key-value pairs. Keyword arguments are key-value method parameters. Any dictionary can be unpacked to keyword arguments by prefixing it with during function call.
Expanding on Jeko's answer, the following is an example that'll show you the difference. Here you can see how unpacking a dictionary works, and why sending an actual dictionary fails.
The *** syntax tells Python to collect keyword arguments into a dictionary. The save2 is passing it down as a non-keyword argument, a dictionary object. The Opangs is not seeing any keyword arguments, so the *** args doesn't get used. It's instead getting a third non-keyword argument, the dictionary. To fix that, change the definition of the Opangs function.
The following code use Kwargs and transfer it to another function. Yields.
For number 2, args will be only a formal parameter with dict value, but not a keyword type parameter. If you want to pass a keyword type parameter into a keyword argument, you need to specific *** before your dictionary, which means ***args. Check this out for more detail on using **kilowatt. This URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.